Do snakes communicate using sounds? Have you ever wondered how snakes talk to each other? It might surprise you to learn that while snakes can make sounds, they do not use them for complex communication like many other animals do. Instead, their sound production is mostly limited to defensive or warning signals. For example, when threatened, a snake might hiss to warn off a predator. However, this is not a form of conversation among snakes. Most snakes do not have vocal cords or the structures needed to create a variety of sounds. Their ability to produce vocalizations is quite limited. So, how do they communicate? Snakes primarily relying on other methods. They perceive sounds differently than mammals. Instead of having external ears or eardrums, snakes detect vibrations through their jawbones and bodies. They can sense vibrations from the ground and some airborne sounds, but their hearing is not as sensitive as that of many other animals. When it comes to communication, snakes are masters of chemical signaling. They use scent and pheromones to share important information about territory, mating readiness, and aggression. The vomeronasal system, located in the roof of their mouths, helps them taste these chemical cues in their environment. For instance, female snakes will leave chemical signals to indicate they are ready to mate, while males may release chemicals to assert their territory or show aggression. Visual signals also play a role in how snakes communicate. Some species display specific postures or color patterns to warn off predators or rivals. For example, non-venomous snakes may mimic the colors of venomous species to deter threats. This clever use of body language adds another layer to their communication. In summary, while snakes can produce simple sounds like hissing, they do not use sound as their main way of talking to each other. Instead, they rely heavily on chemical signals and visual cues to convey messages. Understanding these methods gives us a clearer picture of how these fascinating creatures interact with their environment and each other.